You're shitting me. So you're telling me after I've been saving up for this $2,500 a month share lending data, they're going to be requiring, they're going to be proposing a rule, it's called 10C-1, would apply to any person that loans a security, in other words, a securities lending transaction, on behalf of itself or another person. It would require such persons to report the specified material terms for each securities lending transaction and related information to an RNSA. Proposed Rule 10C-1 would also require that the RSNA disseminate certain information concerning each securities lending transaction to the public and certain aggregate loan information. That is amazing. Now, this one's 184 pages long, so holy shit. I guess give me 3 years and this, oh my god. Look at this. Based on the lack of transparency and statutory objective to increase transparency in securities lending transactions, the Commission is proposing Rule 10C-1 under the Exchange Act, which would require any person who loans a security on behalf of itself to provide the material of the terms of their securities, as discussed more fully below. Private data vendors have attempted to address the opacity in the securities lending market by developing systems that provide data to clients who both subscribe to those systems and provide their transaction data to the data vendor. Only subscribers can use those systems, and pay $2,500 a freaking month for it. Moreover, as the private systems capture data only from their subscribers, the available data is not complete, nor is the transaction data captured by these private vendors available to the general public without a subscription or available in one centralized location. Yeah, this is some big shit. So we telling me we got forced settlement, now we got securities lending transactions going to be forced to the public? Man, that's what we need. The supplement to supplement the publicly available information involving securities lending, close the data gaps in this market, and minimize information asymmetries between market participants. Proposed Rule C-1 is designed to provide investors and other market participants with access to pricing and other material information regarding securities lending. Oh man, this is a big one. I'll get to work on this one too. The Commission preliminarily believes the proposed rule would close securities lending data gaps, would also increase market efficiency, and lead to increased competition among providers of securities lending analytics services, and to reduced administrative costs for broker-dealers and lending programs. Holy shit. Big shit coming out. Big stuff coming out today. Here we go. I'll get this one out again. Work to do.